I'm the CEO of Peach State Federal Credit Union, which is based in Lawrenceville, Georgia. Lawrenceville, Georgia is about 30 miles east of Atlanta, Georgia. We serve 50,000 Georgians in an area from basically from Atlanta to Augusta, Georgia, and most of the area in between. We have 15 branches, and I have 135 employees. Total assets of the credit union are $342 million. Borrowing is picking up a little bit. The economy has come back somewhat. It has actually recovered or been recovering for the last 6 or 7 years, but it's only been recovering at about 1.5% to 2% annual growth in the gross domestic product. So that's just barely keeping up with inflation. So it wasn't real growth, but we're beginning to see a lot of deferred purchases are now being purchased in the economy. Teachers, we're a teachers credit union, and most with probably half of our members are teachers. And for 2 or 3 years, they had their salaries frozen. Now that freeze is no longer in place, so they're spending a little bit more. But the normal consumer borrowing for cars, and we do mortgage loans and home equity lines of credit. And we also are in small business lending. So we have about $40 or $50 million in business loans, another 40 or 50 million in real estate loans, and then the rest is consumer lending out of that 200 million. So about 25% of our loans are real estate, or 50% counting the business lending. Half is real estate based, the other half is car and signature. Technically, we do have competitors. However, my mindset, the way I view what my function is or my mission, so I don't worry about the competitors. I focus on my members and my prospective members, my potential members. We want to make ourselves known in the community and do our very best to be supportive of the community as well as our members and their activities. And that has proven successful because we've grown from 14 million to 342 million in 23 years. So something's being done correctly.